What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you a website that has the potential to generate you a massive amount of earnings only if you are willing to put in the work. Now a lot of people come onto YouTube, and I know that you guys search for ways to make money online consistently. Okay, now I'm going to spit some honest truth with you guys. Getting paid to watch videos is not going to make you any amount of money that's going to be worthwhile. Okay, there are no websites that will give you thousands of dollars for just doing 6 clicks, clicking the mouse 6 times. There's no easy way to make money online. You either have to put in the work and do simple tasks online to get paid. That is the only way you can make money online without needing to invest anything. Okay, so if you are expecting this video to be some kind of magic trick, this is the wrong video for you. My videos primarily focus on how to make money for yourself without investment, looking at different task sites, freelance sites, and you can only make the money if you are going to put in the work. So click off this video if you are going to be lazy. Okay, and you can go watch Branson Tay. Okay, but if you are serious, okay, about making money online and generating an income for yourself consistently over time, then stay tuned and watch this video all the way till the end, as this will be very beneficial for you. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay, so today's website is Insolvo. Okay, insolvo.com. I'll show you the name right here. Also put them up on the screen for you. Okay, now insolvo.com is basically a freelancer site, but unlike sites like Fiverr and People Per Hour, insolvo.com is very different. Okay, in terms of how freelancers get jobs. Okay, you do create your profile, you do put up your profile. Okay, but in a minute I will show you a little bit more about how Insolvo works. Okay, so you need to come over to Insolvo and you can just read on the front page. Okay, they'll give you some more, so they'll give you some insights on it. Okay, but not the whole thing. Okay, but as you scroll down, you can see the tasks that have been done. Okay, these are real customers that have uploaded their profiles here. They are paying people for tasks. Now look at this, the simple types of tasks. Text translation, $20. Took it that guy 30 minutes. Handwritten transcription. Okay, translating, translation. Look at the amounts these people have been paid. Video editing, video formatting. Okay, these are all recent jobs. You can see the time it took these people to do it and when these were posted. Okay, so this is real jobs. Okay, real people were getting paid. Okay, so now we want to become freelancers. So what we need to do is come over here and click on become a freelancer. Okay, so once we did that, this will be the page that you are going to see. So you are going to click on find work, and then you will create your account. You can do it via Google or Facebook, or you can just type in your first name or email, and they will send you an email to your inbox, which will need to verify and then continue to create your account. There will also be a small test. They give you 2 tests. Okay, the first test is really very easy. They give you the answers literally within both of these tests. Okay, but for some members from some countries, your phone numbers need to be verified. Okay, and I know that for me from South Africa, I don't have like the regular SIM service like most people, like Vodafone or MTN. I run my service through the bank, my cell service, and for some reason my phone number has not yet been verified. I'm still waiting for the support team to come back to me. So I can complete the test, but it will say I need to do it over and over because my registration for my phone number, my verification has not yet been approved. But in any case, for those of you that do get approved with your phone numbers, let's get into it. There's this simple test here. You need to complete this test and upload an avatar so you can start doing the jobs. Now, firstly, this test, the second test, basically goes around the rules for freelancer. All the answers are in here. It's just one page. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 topics that are covered, and all the answers to these questions are here. Okay, all the answers are there. I've clicked them up all for you. Okay, you can see them there. All these answers stay the same. Okay, so it's really easy to pass. Once you've done that, you need to fill in your payment information, all of that, but you cannot do that unless your phone number has been verified. Okay, so now we go over to the tasks and see what type of tasks these people offer you. Now just keep in mind that the people that post these tasks do not have the time to do it themselves, or they don't have the knowledge, okay, to do it themselves. And all of these tasks you can basically do within half an hour. Some may take like half a day, some may take a full day, 8 hours. Okay, if you don't know something, a quick Google search is like literally minutes away. Just open a new window and you start a Google search. Okay, this is a new window and you can put in what you want to search here, and boom, it's done. Okay, just as easy as that. Now let's look at these tasks. Okay, you need someone who can add client grid section into Squarespace page. This is so easy. All you need to do is log into their site, install one of the plugins, and done. Styling sticky posts. Styling sticky posts in my WordPress blogging site. I need to make WordPress sticky posts stand out at the top of the archive page. This is literally so easy. You go into your WordPress dashboard, add the plugin, and done. Boom, that's all. And you guys can do all this with just a quick Google search. There are 5-minute videos showing you exactly what to do. Okay, but for those of you who want to stay away from those, there are other easier tasks. Okay, this guy needs an intro for a video. He's got his own logo. It says it there. His channel name is Cobra Gaming. He has a logo attached, and it's $5. Okay, there are free video editors online, but if you want to make a video intro, you can do it for free on Canva as well. Okay, a recommended intro needs to be between 5 and 8 seconds for your YouTube channel. Okay, this guy wants you to run a social media campaign. Okay, this one needs a logo, $10. You can do it on Canva as well. There they give you an option to create a logo, and Canva is free, guys. This one needs you to create a website. With this one you can make double your money. Okay, so you just let him buy the hosting from A2 Hosting, which will give you $50, $55 for the sale. Okay, sign into his dashboard from his account, or let him create an account for you, then set up your website. An easy search on YouTube will show you step by step how to do it with A2 Hosting, because they also have their own YouTube channel showing you exactly how to do it. Okay, design decal stickers can also be done on Canva. Logo again for $20. Now this one here is really interesting. Teach tennis, $180. So if you know how to play tennis and you've got a tennis racket, this guy just needs a few videos. He's gonna ask you maybe a few questions here and there, or how to do this or how to do that or whatever. Just take a video of yourself and send it to him with you illustrating what he needs to do. This one wants a job ad written. You can offer your price here. Okay, we want a job ad written for the purpose of recruiting a receptionist. Guys, all you need to do is go to Google, search receptionist job. You'll see so many job written ads which you can just rewrite and make your own and give it to him for maybe $10. Okay, developer edit leaflet map. This is really easy. All you need to do, you don't even need to be a developer, is go over to Google again. Okay, they want their map edited on their leaflet. Search the area for their map, draw it out with a red line, the route to their store, and that is done, guys. this is the easiest money you can ever make. Okay, unlike sites like Fiverr and other freelance sites where you have to wait for people to come to you, you can actually go here and take these offers up and complete them. Okay, they have very little freelancers. They don't have as much freelancers and competition as you would have on sites like Zarly, Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, you can see all the easy tasks here. Okay, and this list goes on and on and on. Once you reach the end, it just creates, it's like an infinite scroll. There's also translation. You need to translate 5 documents from Ukrainian to English. This is just as easy. Copy the text, Google Translator does everything for you. Okay, just as easy as it is word for word, Google does it for you, and that's what you need to do. It's translate word for word. You cannot take out any words from the translation from the original document itself. It needs to be word for word so these people can see exactly what's being said, because changing anything in the document can change the meaning of the document itself. Okay, 3D avatar explainer video. There are free websites offering you explainer videos to create explainer videos. Okay, this one needs a review for a movie, on the movie, not the book. Okay, it's the Harry Potter movies talking. Oh, fellow. Okay, there was one for Harry Potter, marketing plan for music design, logo for new brand on some t-shirt designs. This can be done on Teespring. Okay, this one's gonna pay you for a 4 or 5-star review on an app. It's gonna take you 15 minutes, $5, guys, $5. Okay, so but basically this is how money gets made online. Either you create content and let other people consume your content, or you do these types of tasks. Now I hope that this video actually helps you guys, and I hope that you guys take action. I don't want you guys to come back in 12 months time, 1 year later, and you are still on the same spot. You need to take action. Okay, the world is changing. It is not changing for the better all the time. Okay, but we need to change with the world, and getting started online and learning these new skills is what's gonna keep yourself relevant so you can feed your family in the future. Okay, and continue to do so on a continuous basis. Okay, so I hope this video helped you guys out. Okay, if you found this video helpful and you liked it, please hit the thumbs up button down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.